Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It can be a substantial source of income for those willing to invest time and creativity. In recent years, the demand for handcrafted items has surged, presenting a wealth of opportunities for woodworkers to turn their skills into cash. This article delves into various woodworking ideas that can generate profit, allowing you to build a successful business from your workshop. One of the most lucrative avenues in woodworking is custom furniture. Today's consumers are increasingly seeking unique pieces that reflect their personal style and fit their specific needs. By offering bespoke furniture, you can cater to a niche market willing to pay a premium for quality craftsmanship. The ability to personalize designs provides added value, making your creation stand out in a crowded marketplace. Home decor items are another profitable woodworking venture. People are continuously looking for ways to enhance their living spaces, and handcrafted decor can fulfill that desire. From wall art to rustic shelving units, there are countless possibilities. By tapping into popular trends and seasonal themes, you can create items that resonate with customers, leading to increased sales. Workshops are an excellent way to generate income beyond selling products. By teaching others the art of woodworking, you can share your expertise while earning money. Offering classes for various skill levels allows you to build a community of woodworking enthusiasts. Participants are often eager to return for advanced courses or to purchase the items you create, fostering a loyal customer base. Establishing an online presence can significantly boost your woodworking business. In today's digital age, having an e-commerce website or utilizing social media platforms can help you reach a broader audience. High-quality photos and engaging descriptions of your work are essential in attracting potential buyers. Showcasing your craftsmanship online can create a buzz and lead to increased sales. Networking within your local community can open many doors for your woodworking business. Collaborating with local businesses, such as interior designers or home improvement stores, can yield referrals and enhance your visibility. Participating in craft fairs and markets allows you to meet customers face-to-face, providing valuable feedback and insight into market trends. Diversifying your product offerings can help you reach a wider audience. While larger projects may attract high-end clients, smaller, more affordable items can appeal to budget-conscious consumers. Creating a range of products, from decorative pieces to practical home accessories, ensures you cater to different segments of the market, boosting your potential for sales. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important to consumers, making eco-friendly woodworking a profitable niche. By sourcing reclaimed wood or using environmentally responsible practices, you can attract eco-conscious buyers. Highlighting your commitment to sustainability in your marketing can set you apart from competitors and resonate with a growing demographic. Embracing social media is crucial in today's marketing landscape. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest allow you to showcase your projects visually, engaging with potential customers. Sharing behind-the-scenes content, such as the creation process or design inspiration, helps build a connection with your audience. Custom gifts represent another promising area for income generation. Personalized items for special occasions, such as weddings or anniversaries, can command higher prices. Offering customization services allows customers to give unique, thoughtful gifts, tapping into a lucrative market that thrives on sentiment and connection. Subscription boxes focused on woodworking can provide a steady income stream. Curating monthly boxes that include project plans, materials, and tools appeals to hobbyists looking to explore new skills. This model creates recurring revenue while fostering a community of woodworking enthusiasts eager to learn and create together. Investing in high-quality tools and equipment can enhance your productivity and the quality of your work. While the initial investment may be significant, better tools lead to improved results and a more efficient workflow. Well-maintained tools ensure longevity and consistent performance, ultimately increasing your profitability. Customer feedback is invaluable in shaping your offerings. Actively seeking input from your audience helps refine your products and services. Understanding their needs and preferences allows you to tailor your projects to meet market demands effectively. Responsiveness to customer feedback fosters loyalty and encourages repeat purchases. Marketing plays a crucial role in any successful business venture. Developing a strong brand identity that reflects your values and quality can help you stand out. Consistent branding across all platforms, including your website and social media, reinforces your image and builds trust among potential buyers. Staying informed about industry trends is essential for maintaining a competitive edge. Regularly researching emerging styles, materials, and consumer preferences can help you adapt your offerings to meet changing demands. Remaining agile and open to innovation ensures your woodworking business continues to thrive in a dynamic market. Exploring collaborations with other artisans or businesses can provide fresh opportunities for income. Partnering with complementary craftspeople can lead to unique product offerings that attract a broader audience. Joint ventures often create buzz and excitement in the community, driving interest in both your work and your partners. Lastly, embracing a growth mindset is crucial for long-term success in woodworking. Continuously seeking opportunities for improvement, whether through new techniques or expanding your product range, keeps your business evolving. By remaining passionate and dedicated to your craft, you can turn your woodworking hobby into a thriving source of income.